kuhusu madai ya ukiukwaji wa haki za binadamu kutoka kwa wanajeshi wa Uingereza wanaofanya mazoezi humu nchini almaarufu Batuk. Familia iliyoathirika Laikipia inataka serikali kuharakisha uchunguzi huu utakaowasaidia katika upatikanaji wa haki zao. Aidha, wamelalamikia pakubwa muda unaochukuliwa katika kuwakabili kisheria wahusika.
The person who killed like Agnes was in this country. He is known. Why is it that ODPP is not progressively developing systems that will facilitate swift law enforcement?
I mean, if a soldier happens to do anything that is criminal in nature, as per our constitution and our penal code, there isn't any way to hold them accountable. The best you can do is report to the police station at Nanyuki. And after reporting at the police station, then it is entered on the occurrence book and nothing more. I mean, the soldiers cannot go to Nyati barracks and start calling out an identification parade. And when you look at these vis-a-vis other states where the British forces train, for instance in Canada and in Cyprus, we have a different arrangement altogether. And this committee has power to be able to help us institute some of these measures even in our upcoming Defense Cooperation Agreement, so that also members of the community and the civilian component of the Kenyan population has a channel through which that can be addressed.
Na Rais William